Samsung new Galaxy Fold is one of the best innovative smartphone we ever seen. So here is the first look and first hand-on video from Samsung. The Galaxy foldable smartphone Galaxy Fold launched in selected market on April 26, which is 2 months from now, but it will not be for everyone. Phone cost $1980. To be perfectly clear, the number of starting price is only to more expensive when you upgrade its internal. A lot of people will be priced out of this smartphone, but many other simply will not be interested because the phone itself does not fit their style. While the Galaxy Fold is a beautiful made, its 4 available color leave much it to desire. You can buy this smartphone in black, silver, green and blue color. You can even customize the color of metal that make this foldable concept work in the first place. Samsung Galaxy Fold smartphone comes with wireless power share. You can charge your smartphone, even earbuds, smartwatch. This smartphone comes with 4.6-inch Super AMOLED display. When you open it, it comes with 7.3-inch QXGA Plus Dynamic AMOLED display. We're still not sure if that small screen is made of glass or plastic, but we do know that the screen inside the first example of Infinity Flex display. This smartphone comes with 6 camera setup. First talk about the over camera. There is a 10 megapixel selfie camera on the outside with aperture 2.2. The triple rear camera on the Samsung Galaxy foldable smartphone 16 megapixel ultra wide. This is aperture 2.2. Camera 12 megapixel wide angle sensor with variable 1.5 to 2.4 aperture. Dual pixel AF OS and 12 megapixel telephoto lens with aperture 2.4 with PDF OS and 2x optical zoom. The dual camera module inside the device including 10 megapixel and 8 megapixel. 10 megapixel aperture 2.2 where is primary sensor, where secondary sensor aperture 1.9, that is RGI depth sensor. So this smartphone comes with 5G ready Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 processor, while back 12GB RAM and have 512GB internal storage. Samsung Galaxy Fold runs with Android 9.0 with Samsung own customized skin on top with one UI. It's come with 2 batteries on either side of device, offering a total of 4380 mAh battery. This smartphone also comes with Type-C and there is no headphone jack, and also supports Samsung DeX. That's all guys. If you like this video, press the like button. Let me know in the comment section what you think about this smartphone. See you next video. Goodbye.